The Magic Wand tool. Now this is a great tool for selecting large areas of a similar colour like the sky here. If we just click in the sky, you can see it's selected this chunk here, but it's not got the slightly different versions of blue here. So what we can do is increase the tolerance of the tool to make it select larger sections. So let's go to 33 and let's just make the selection again, click, and now you'll notice that it's selected a lot more of the sky. We need to add more of this sky with a little bit of cloud here to the selection. So if I hold the control key on a Mac or right click on a PC, or I've actually got a Mac with the 3-button mouse, so I'm going to right click on a Mac and you get a pop-up which says add to selection. Okay, so we'll click there and we've added this whole chunk to the selection. There's a little bit more by the cloud here, so I'm just going to do that as well. There we go, and now you'll notice there's little bits of blue in amongst the leaves there that haven't been caught. So what we could do is go to select similar, and it will add those to the selection, but it will also, because the tolerance is quite strong, it's also selecting bits of the church that we don't want it to select. So let's undo that, and let's reduce the tolerance to about 12. Okay, now when we do similar, it's going to select these bits of blue here, but it won't select the bits on the church roof. So the tolerance is a very crucial tool. You need to change that a lot when you're selecting with the Magic Wand tool. So let's go and select similar now, and it should get this blue up here, which it has done without digging into the church, so that's pretty cool. Okay, and what we can also do is to get it to eat in a little bit more into the leaves here, we can go to select modify and expand, and if we expand it by maybe 1 pixel, what it'll do is it'll just tighten the noose of the selection a little bit and dig in a little bit more into these leaves, to make sure that there is little chance of the sky appearing. Okay, so let me just get rid of that flagpole as well, add to selection, increase the tolerance to do that, and then when we're ready we can then hit backspace to delete the selected layer. Okay, there we go, Command D to deselect everything, and we've now used the Magic Wand tool to hide most of the sky there. Then what we can do is bring in another sky from another file. We use this clouds file here, and we'll just drag that onto our main layer and then pop that behind our layer there. Use the move tool again, press V to pop that behind there, and we've now added a much more interesting sky to our image. Okay, and that's the Magic Wand tool in action.